A very good day, everyone. I am Devakanisa Veeran. Under the supervision of Associate Professor Dr. Hui Chia Yi, I am going to present my final year project, which is Cost Efficient Secure Hashing Algorithm 1 Hardware Accelerator. Let me give a brief explanation about the Internet of Things. IoT. IoT is a relatively new communication prototype that envisions a new future in which objects will be equipped with microcontrollers, digital communication transducers, and appropriate protocol stacks that will enable them to communicate with one another together with user. One of the significant and challenging issues to look upon seriously in the IoT is security and privacy. IoT devices are susceptible to malicious attacks because IoT devices mostly employed in open or unsafe environments. Therefore, it is required to maintain the authorization and authentication of a secure network which eventually make the users feel secure. Next, let's look upon hash functions. Hash functions are used as a tool to protect the data integrity. Cryptographic hash functions is a mathematical concept mainly used as a part of the digital signature schemes. Hash function is a function which maps data of arbitrary size of data of fixed size. The values returned by hash functions are called such as hash values, hash codes, hash sums, or simply hash. There are certain requirements need to be fulfilled in order to become cryptographic hash functions. Firstly, it has to be provides the property of irreversibility, which describes the computational impossibility to determine any input data m from the hash value hm. This property is also called as pre-image resistance. Second requirement is second pre-image resistance. In this, given input message m1, it should be difficult to find different input message m2 such that hash m1 equal to hash m2. Further, the reproducibility property of a hash function has to ensure that if any input data m and m prime are equal, then also the output data hm and hm prime are equal. Contrariwise, in any case m and m prime are not equal, the corresponding hashes hm and hm prime have to be unequal. This requirement is called collision resistance. A fifth requirement of cryptographic hashes is the bit sensitivity. It states that small changes in the input data m, example by alternating one bit, should lead to a big change in the output data hm. There are two problem statements that are considered in this project. Firstly, what is the issue if SHA is applied using CPU? Secondly, what is the issue if SHA is applied using software, not hardware? So the main objective of the project is to investigate and execute the performance of SHA-1 on hardware. What is Secure Hashing Algorithm SHA-1? SHA is designed by National Security Agency of the USA. It is a message compressed standard is used to incorporate DSS, Digital Signature Standard, that designed by National Institute of Standard and Technology NIST. Though SHA is designed for DSS, it can be also used in many protocol or secure algorithm. The original version of SHA is called SHA or SHA-0. SHA-1 is the improved version of SHA-0. Using SHA-1, A message which is no longer than 2 to the power of 64 bit can be generated a 160 bit message abstract. Message abstract is much shorter than the message itself, so it will spend less time to generate a digital signature. The more important that the digital signature generated by message abstract has the same security as generated by message. SHA-1 works for any input message that is less than 2 to the power of 64 bits. The output of SHA is a message digest of 160 bits in length. If a message is no longer than 2 to the power of 64 bit long, zeros needed to be added to make the message become 2 to the power of 64 bit. If a message is longer than 2 to the power of 64 bit, it is required to be divided in some groups. Every group consists of 2 to the power of 64 bit. Later, the message groups will be converted into message abstracts groups by SHA algorithm. When message abstract is created, 5 32-bit initial values A, B, C, D, E will be used. Every time SHA-1 operates, non-linear function ft, wt, kt are different if t is different t value according to the parameter t, the non-linear function ft. The input message is padded and then processed in 512-bit blocks in the Merkle-Demarkov iterative structure. Each iteration calls for a so-called compression function which takes 5 32-bit chaining values along with the 512-bit message block and use them to compute 5 new 32-bit values summed wordwise with the input 32-bit numbers to produce the subsequent 5 chaining values. The initial chaining values called Roman 4 are set of fixed constant and the last chaining values consist the hash of the message. The result gained in this project when message ABC is used to be encoded in SHA-1. The ABC in X initialized to 5 random strings of X characters that will serve as part of the hash function. The message then padded by appending a 1 followed by enough zeros until the message is 448 bits. The length of the message represented by 64 bits then added to the end, producing a message which is 512 bit long. The padded input obtained then divided into 512 bit chunks and each chunk is further divided into 16 32-bit words. In the case of ABC, there's only one chunk as the message is less than 512 bit total. For each chunk, it will begin 80 iterations, then followed by circular shift operation. Then for the 80 iteration, it will compute as the formula given and store the results of the chunk hash to overall hash value of all chunks. As a final step, when all the chunks have been processed, the message digest is represented as the 160-bit string comprised of the OR logical operator or the 5 hash values shown. So the string ABC becomes as the hash value akin to As a conclusion, using the SHA-1 module, a long message can be generated a short and safe message abstract in a very short time. Thank you very much. Arigato gozaimasu.